These 3 rings are 3 wedding rings that are intertwined. Chuck had this made, and one day we had wine and professed our love for each other. If you want to call that a wedding, then it was. I think the human race is very archaic. They need labels, which is very, very sad. When Chuck came into our life, the intimacy that we had spiritually, everything, made us 3 of the most unique people. No one held anyone. And I think true love, that's the only way it can work. There were no contracts to say, I own you, like it happens in many marriages. If someone wanted their space for a couple of days, they got their space for a couple of days. Chuck wanted to be by himself and well for 6 hours, and Joy made dinner, and it was ready, but he wasn't there. Fine, he'll eat when he comes in. See, we didn't have these restrictions that usually start discord in a marriage or a relationship. I don't know a human being in this world that could say he is as happy as I was. There's nothing that I wanted in the world. I had the most beautiful animals. I had the 2 most beautiful people in the world, a male and a female. The most gorgeous, unpretentious, unaffected, unjaded. And they all left me.